In retirement, there are two kinds of lifestyles: your anticipated retirement lifestyle and the actual retirement lifestyle that you end up living. The anticipated retirement lifestyle is the retirement lifestyle that you think about before you retire. It's the retirement lifestyle that you desire, plan for, and hopefully achieve, which can result in retirement being the best time of your life. Then there is the actual retirement lifestyle. This is the retirement lifestyle that you actually end up living after you retire. It helps if you have a pretty objective idea or plan for your anticipated retirement lifestyle, so that when you make the transition from work into retirement, you know what specific changes you have to make to successfully achieve your anticipated retirement lifestyle. While researching the topic of retirement, I learned that individuals who are currently working predict that their retirement satisfaction will be higher than the current level of satisfaction held by retirees, which reinforces the need to have an objective transition plan to make the lifestyle change from working to retirement to help ensure that you achieve your anticipated retirement lifestyle. There is a quote from Lewis Carroll that states, "If you do not know where you're going, any road will get you there, and you may not end up where you want to be." This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.